Hello guys. Today we have this phone. This phone is Infinix X655C 655C. Yes. This phone is having a problem of USB not recognized, and then it has a passcode. It is locked. Yeah. Let me try to switch on it and then show you what I'm saying. Let me do like this. Let me switch on it. Now it is switched on. Yeah, it has a passcode. It is locked, and then we want to unlock it via USB cable. Unfortunately, it is not detecting on the PC. The PC is not detecting it. It shows that it has a problem of USB not recognized. And then today I want to show you how to fix it. Okay, we have to wait for it to finish to boot. Okay, I want to show you what is the problem. It is taking a long time. Yeah, now it is finished. As you see, we don't know this pin, this code, this pattern. We don't know it, and then you have to unlock it via any tool. For example, you can use a CM tool or another tool that can unlock it. There is no matter. Yeah, let me show you what I'm saying. Let me connect the battery and then plug in the charger, the USB cable. You will see, here, as you see, you hear a sound from our PC. Yeah, now you see that it is charging. Okay, but it has a problem of USB not recognized. Let me show you at the PC. You will see what. Let me connect the USB cable. Okay, wait. Okay, look at there. Now I connected. I plugged in the USB cable, and then you realize here, you see here, it is a problem of USB not recognized. Okay, here. Yes. Now we want to fix it. I want to show you how to fix it. Yes. Okay, we have to come here. We open this tool, and then we go in Infinix category, and then we search. We choose Hot 9. This model, and there we check here charger data. Let me show you charging data. In that section you will find the USB ways. Okay, so let me zoom in it. Now I'm zooming. As you know, if you are a hardware technician or a software technician, software engineer, these two ways are for USB. This is for data positive, and this one is for data minus. So these two ways are connected to the servo board and the USB line. Yeah, if one of these ways is damaged, the phone will not be detected by the PC. The reason why you will see what the USB not recognized. So here we have to check every point here until we arrive in the CPU. Okay, let me come here. Yes, I want to check if from here to here there is a continuity, and then even here, here, and here. So let's come back to our motherboard. Let me show you. Okay, let me check from here. The two ways are these two ways. You see, the multimeter is set in the beeping mode. You hear the sound, and then we want to check if there is a continuity here. Okay, this point is okay, it's good, and this from the connector there is no problem. And then we have to check if from here to here there is a continuity. Check from here to here. Okay, now it's okay. Let me check this point. Okay, yeah, there is no way from here to here, there is no problem. Have to check these two resistance. They are continuity. There is no resistance between them. Let me check the first one. Okay, this one is passing. Okay, let me check the second. Oh, on the second resistance there is what? There is no what? Let me check like this. I think that everyone is seeing here. Okay, from here. Oh, my multimeter is disturbing me, but there is no matter. Let me check from here. See, here there is no issue, and then here there is no issue. Even here, from here to here there is no issue, but here you see that there is no sound here from here to here. But for the first line, the USB DP data positive, there is no issue. Oh, this multimeter is disturbing me. Let me use this one so that you will see everything. Let me use this one. This is the new model of multimeter. It combines many sections, yeah, and then it works very perfect. Yeah, okay, let me use this. You hear sound? Let me check from here like this, from here to here. Show. Okay, and then here. Okay, let me check this from here to here. It's okay, but there is the junction here. This resistor is having a problem. Now we are going to replace it. Yeah, this resistor is having a problem, and we want to replace it. Okay, Let's wait. Yeah, okay. I have another motherboard and then I want to replace this resistor. Want to replace this resistor. I think that everyone is seeing here. Don't skip any step until you finish. Okay. Now let me remove this one and replace the damaged one. Let me use this oily. Okay, we have to be patient until we finish. Now I'm replacing it. Okay. Okay. We finished to replace the damaged resistor. Now let's check if the resistor, if the problem is solved. Okay, from here it's okay. Okay, and the line continues until here. Okay, and this one. Okay, so let's check if the problem is solved. Let me check if the problem is solved. Okay, let me plug in the USB cable. Let me check if I can identify this phone. Okay, let me plug in the USB cable. If the detector will say something. Okay, wow, now you see the phone is reading. Yes, it is being detected by the PC, and then we can do whatever we need via USB cable. Okay, this phone is being detected by the PC. Okay, now the problem is fixed. So every time you see that problem of USB not recognized, you have to check the ways of USB, DP, DM, data minus, and data positive. And then you will do what? You will know where is the problem. Yeah, okay. Now we finish. The problem is finished. Okay. And then as you see, it is detecting on the PC. Now let's do what? Now what is left is to format this phone to unlock the phone. Yeah, but because the time is rushing, we don't want to unlock it. We will unlock it after. The essential was to see how to fix that problem, that issue. Yeah, okay. Let me unplug it. Yes, I will format it later. The main problem was about one resistor. The one resistor was causing the problem. Yes, this one. This resistor. This one was having a problem. Okay, this one. I replaced this one. Yeah, okay. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. We make many videos about mobile phone repair, especially in hardware. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.